Okay, yes. Yes, yes, now I can see. Now the stream started actually. I. Yeah. I. Okay, no, I don't need you to play. So I had. What? I clicked on this start broadcast, but for some reason I also needed to click some kind of start actually streaming. For some reason, so now it now it actually started. I guess. Uh, s- nah, all right. Okay. Okay. YouTube Studio complains about too high bit rate. I don't know if it's really an I don't know if it's really an issue. So I mean, so far it has seemed to work well, but uh, I don't know. Well, if it starts stuttering, I guess I'll just have to lower the bitrate. Um. This is like so about the stream I'm doing right now. So okay, what to say? Oh yeah. I started learning Python programming language. Um. Th- th- this winter after I finished Super Meme Quest. Just so and I know something. I have mostly watched a tutorial series on it. And and in this stream I'm thinking of doing like some a few coding challenges with a Pygame library. So like drawing drawing on drawing on the screen, graphical interface, that kind of thing. Okay, so yeah, I was just checking one thing. So uh, where is so also so some people who have followed me for some time or have been my friends on social media, uh, they might know that I'm from Estonia, a small country in northeastern Europe, and today, uh, February 24th, is the Independence Day of Estonia. So we're celebrating that here right now. Um, so head vabariigi aastapäevad teile, elagu Eesti, that kind of stuff. Um, Unfortunately, another thing with this date is that the Ukraine war has lasted for a year now, but uh, I don't think I'm gonna talk much about politics. Let's um, let's get on with with a stream. So I'm gonna use Pygame. Um, im- it's a it's a it's a graphical interface library. As I said, you have to download it. Also, I just noticed they have a new update, 2.1.3. Yeah, I wonder if that's gonna work with the newest Python version, because I have currently, okay, the newest Python release is 3.11. I'm currently on 3.10 because it didn't support, because Pygame didn't support 3.11. But actually, because of the new update, let's see if I can maybe get the new versions, and that way I'll show you. Also show how to. Wait, why did I close it? Let's go back. Pygame. We're gonna probably need it. Hmm. Or maybe I just 3.11. Let's see if I can. If I could download it. How? If it's gonna take too long, I'm not gonna update. But because of the new version, of Pygame that supposedly supports Python 3.11, I might try it. And I see my friend Anas has joined the stream. Hello, Anas. Uh, I'm good. I'm pretty good. Uh, so I already mentioned it at the beginning of the stream, but I'm gonna do it again for you. So today is the National Independence Day of my country, and I have been celebrating that. Um, I mean, this noon there was a big military parade on our Freedom Square. I went there to watch it. It was pretty cool. Okay, did it finish? So okay now. Okay, I'm just gonna already open the Visual Studio to check about the Python interpreter. Ah, 3. Okay, I'm gonna switch to 3.11. And now, how to download the Pygame functions for Python? It's written right here in the top. Okay, how has it gone? It's written right here in the top left. If you can hopefully see, I just need to open Open a command prompt, some terminal. The command is pip install Pygame. Require. Oh, it says just it's already there, but it's for that 3.10. Okay, how can I switch? Can I switch it from 3 3.10 to 3.11? This pip thing. Maybe if I. Yeah, it's gonna take some time until I finally start programming. Wait, let's see if I can do it just like that. Python. It's written right here in the newest version. Let's see what it is. Python /m pip install /u pygame 2.1.3. Okay, let successfully installed Pygame 2.1.3. Let's see if I maybe if I restart the program. It didn't seem. Okay, it still doesn't detect it. Apps. Yeah. Interesting. Python 3.10 is almost 2 times larger than 3.11, but let's see if I remove the old version. Maybe it will clear this confusion right here that I have. Uh, Once I manage to set it up, I'll start coding. Let's try it again. Python install Pygame. Okay, it's now downloading for the 3.11. I can see from. I think that means right here means it's for Python 3.11. I watched you in stream. I played Train Simulator. I'm not leaving. That's nice. Okay. So we got the Pygame. Yes, we got the Pygame. let me just run the program to make sure it's working, and it indeed we have opened a Pygame window successfully on the newest version of Python. So uh, maybe I should. So that's nice. The command is indeed pip install Pygame. You just have to make sure it does it for the correct edition of Python. So can you? I just check. Can you see the code? Is the code visible? Well. Oh, okay. It seems just a little bit blurry, but it seems fine. So maybe I should talk about what I have right here. So Pygame, because Python is like really general thing. You can do a lot of different programs with it. And it's like then more specific programs take a little bit of setting up to do. And here I have like a small template code to make a Pygame window, and from that on we can add. I can add to the template. So first let's see what we have in the template. Import Pygame. First we have to import the Pygame commands and stuff. With height, that's to set the size of the window, to create like the game screen, the project screen or window. We use pygame.display.set_mode, and then the width and the height, and it's going to assign it to a variable to later like tell it that I want to draw it to that screen, in which for this is set to the win variable. The screen is in the win variable. Pygame.display.setCaption, that is for the title, the title of the project that appears up here. Then FPS 60, that's just a normal variable. I'll tell you that one later. The def draw window, here we define a function draw window, that like what to draw on the screen. Win.fill is for that's for the background color of the window. You can see here we use win dot. That's gonna say that I want to fill the win screen with that color. Pygame.display update. That means that it's gonna put the things we're gonna draw here to the screen. And oops, Now here's the main function. Okay, clock. You can see the clock here is basically for the frame rate. That's set here. Run equals true while run. That means that it's gonna loop here until we tell it to not loop. So for event in Pygame, that event get if event the type is equals Pygame.quit, run equals false. It seems a bit complicated, but it means basically that. Okay, so you can see Pygame.quit event basically means that if someone clicks on the X arrow to close the program closes, and it's gonna draw the window that we're gonna tell it what to draw the window, but gonna draw to the window this in this function above. And if we're done with the loop, we want to end the game, then Pygame.quit. If name if underscore name equals underscore main, then the main loop. It's a bit complicated. It's a bit complicated again, maybe, but it basically means that. Okay, how do you explain this? So you can import other code, like other projects, like, and it's just gonna make sure that we're not gonna run like multiple main functions accidentally. If if I what other projects I have here, like I have this client.py, for example. Like let's say I need something from the client, from the client project I have here, and maybe the client project has its own main, and just to make sure we're not gonna run many main functions. So anyways, that's it with the game. That's it with the explaining the template. I can finally start. So I'm thinking for my first project. Let's gonna make I'll try to make a fractal tree. Now a fractal tree. Let me see if I can find a good a good image. Okay, not. So here's a good example of. Is an example basically of. Oh, it's animated even. So here you can see there's like one branch. Then it's gonna divide into two branches each. Then these two branches will divide into two. Then these branches will divide into two, and these ones will, and then these ones will. And I'll try to make something like this tree. Oh. Okay, yes, we're now in the fractal tree. Okay, now where to start? Okay, I'm gonna need a I'm gonna need a function for drawing the branch. Let's say def branch, not def branch. Now it's gonna need some variables. Let's say um it's gonna need a length and okay. uh, F FBI has joined the stream, and I'm trying. What are you doing? Um, um well, I'm trying to code some stuff on Python and about like graphical interface, and right now I'm trying to draw a so-called fractal tree uh, using recursion. So also recursion it's pretty much something where you like do something over and over again. Like, mm, yeah, yes. Yes, hello FBI. So okay, also, and already a small thing I'm gonna have to figure out. I'm gonna open an image editor for this. So hello. Uh, let's say, yeah. Let's say I want to draw a line in that's for example. Wait, that's too large. That's like 200 pixels long and 45 if well, and 45 degrees, like that line here is 200 degrees long. So I come from game. I come from Game Maker, and like there we have a length dir function, which means like we're gonna do just like length 200 pixels at 45 degrees, and then it's gonna return like how many pixels it needs to move horizontally and vertically. So like length x would be how long this is, and this upper line would be length y. So in Game Maker it was made simple, but I don't know if that's that function in Python. It seems like it isn't. But I kinda remember searching something about it. Wait, let's see. Python length dir. Okay, I'm sorry I can't find it right now, but it had to do with sine and cosine, basically. Mm. Oh, this is, I'm just gonna do it past right now to come back to it later. The length der X vector, and it's also gonna take a length and direction, and already I am uh, I'm already not sure what to do, what to do here. Wait, no, moment. I'll be right back. Bye. Okay, guy. Okay. Apparently, this is how I found something. Similarly. So yeah, uh, last time I checked this Stack Overflow post, which seemingly was about this length. Der. And they don't, that supposedly that I think answered this. I I haven't tried it through, but maybe, but let's try it. Hmm. Oh, I can already see math pi. I need to import some. I need to import some yeah, math functions. Fortunately, it's a built math is built in library, so no need to download anything more. Just import math. Okay. Len. Oh yeah, I used other variables names here. I need to I need to rename stuff, things. Len. I have added len and der here. So let's see what do we have here. So for our first radian angle, these cosine and sine functions apparently use radians instead of normal degrees. I mean the 60 degrees in one circle degrees. So uh, first convert degrees to radians, and then this cosine and sine mess I was talking about. So length multiplied by cosine of angle, and length multiplied by sine of angle. So that's this. So this is for x, and this is for x position, and this is for y position, I assume. Okay, length there. So let's see. Now I can do something with the drawing branches. So okay, so yes, of course. Draw window. Here goes the branch function that I'm gonna work on right now. That's just that it's gonna call that that right here. It's gonna do whatever I will write in this branch function. So now what? Pygame dot draw. Let's draw a line. So first, I think first is this is still going. I'm mostly checking my microphone. X. Oh yes, branch also takes a length and the direction. So let's say for the first branch, we're also gonna need an x position and a y position. I just noticed. So the x position would be a let's use the screen width and height. The x position would be a half of screen width. That would nicely put it in the center. Y position would be the height. That's gonna put it at the bottom of the screen. So I need to just put some value for the length. Let's just for starting put 200 like I did in the example, and direction would be, I think, straight upwards would be 90 degrees. I'm gonna use uh, here I'm first gonna need the starting X position and then the uh, and then uh, uh, then the X and Y position where the line ends, where the branch ends. So like the X and Y positions of the both ends of the branch. So here I think is where the length is where I can use length there, X and Y. No, wait. Mm. Okay, I need wait one moment. I just configured my microphone. So what now? Color value. Ah yes, we're gonna need a color, and let's create a variable for the white color, like for all the colors. So the colors are basically in the RGB format, red, green, blue. So first is like red from 0 to 250. Then it's green and then blue, and when all of them are at maximum levels, that's gonna make white, and when all colors are at the minimum value, that's gonna make a black color. So this fill, we can replace it with the with a white color variable. It's gonna make it nicer, like the code nicer, less brackets. So where was the line? Then okay, then white. Okay, start. Okay, now coordinate X and Y. End pos. Other X and other Y, and a width. Let's make it 4 pixels in length. Oh wait, no wait. I want the window. I want the window to be black, and I want the background to be white, and I want the background to be black, and then the branches to be white for now. And I'm supposing it won't quite work, and yeah, something is going on here. It's going straight from one point. Yeah, the branch is going to be, it's supposed to go straight up here to 200 pixels. It's not just here. I'm gonna deal with one branch for now. So for the length there, maybe add an x and y value. So return x plus, then x plus the cosine of length, then y plus length and sine. How is it now? Alright, I have to update the length there when I call it. I have to also add the x and y values, so alright, now it does not appear. Maybe y needs to be minus. Alright, that's the first branch. We got the first branch, the bottom one. That not nice. Yeah. Because wait, yeah, I think that wait, I'm wondering still, am I supposed to do y plus length sine or y minus length sine? But y minus seem to work for now, so oh, let's see if it's gonna keep working, if I'm gonna add the other branches. So now the recursion part. I'm gonna call the branch function in the branch function. That's gonna be the other y, other x, and other y has coordinates, length. Like that's gonna, let's make it length times how much smaller do I want to make that the length. Let's do a 75% of the initial length for now. And direction is direction plus 45. Let's do for now. Because we're supposed to, because we want the branch to divide in two, then we're gonna call two branches. We're gonna call two branch functions in a branch function. But you see, there's nothing here right now to stop branches from creating two other branches. So if I would start the program right now, it's probably gonna infinitely do these branches. So I'm gonna create an if condition to stop creating more branches if the length gets too small. Let's try if length is smaller than 2. No, wait. If length is greater than 2, then no, curly brackets. See, I'm so used to Game Maker Studio. So I was putting the if statement in curly brackets. No. Like in Game Maker you would do it like this, but you're not supposed to do it like that in Python. No, in Python it's just the semicolon and indentation. anything you want to put in if statement has like this space in in between. Okay, let's try it now. Okay, I got something, but I got some kind of fractal tree, but it is too large. It goes off the screen. Let For that it's a pretty easy fix. Let's just make the initial length smaller. Maybe like 150. Okay, so here is something. I have I have successfully created some kind of fractal tree already. Nice. The the challenge is pretty much in a way I have completed the challenge. If if I make you can see a lot of the tree, a lot of the inner, like when the lines get more together, you can see that there's a lot of just white space. I wonder what if I would reduce the width, what it's gonna look like. That's it. Okay, that's interesting. It looks kind of cool. So yeah, that's how I'm supposed to do it. Now I wanna experiment a bit more with. Okay, let's see if I'm gonna make the direction change a bit smaller, 36 degrees. Now we have this. Now the tree looks like this. Interesting. Now I wonder. Let's. I mean, yes, I have made a fractal tree. Congrats to me. Now, what if I'm gonna make uh, length smaller. Each time I'm gonna reduce the length and also how much it rotates. I'm gonna try. Like let's create a new variable for. I'll just do other dir for now. That's dir. Okay, what? Okay, well, I mean this looks kinda cool. I'll just quickly I'll just quickly screenshot it. I'll just quickly screenshot it. Huh. Okay, so okay, 32. It looks pretty similar. Yeah, I should probably start working on something else. If I want to get it done. Oh wait. Oh, I just noticed the stream captures the um. No. Wait. Yeah, I'm sorry. So there is a Windows 10 security measure that means like it's gonna draw a yellow rectangle around the screen that's going to be recorded, so that you would know that something is recording what you are doing right now. So, um one of the one of the things that's recorded accidentally was had the it had its yellow rectangle on the stream, and I can see someone else joined. Wait, who is it? Senoker Play, welcome. So still I want to see what happens if I make the amount it rotates smaller each time. I want to see how that's gonna look like. Plus, that's gonna mean plus rotate, minus rotate, and its rotate. How much am I gonna make it? Like 0.8 maybe. Like what I'm doing right now is, you know, in the basic fractal tree that I just had, each branch creates like two branches that are always on a 45-degree angle, and as the branches get shorter, I want the angle also to get smaller. So where am I calling the first branch? Right here. Rotate for it will be 45 degrees. Let's. Okay. Now this happened. Now it. Interesting. 0.75. Okay, now complete the half rotation. Okay. That doesn't look that much like a tree. .99. I'm just experimenting with the values and see what will happen. 0.8. Maybe increase the width of the line again. Yeah. Okay, let's try with none of this again. Okay, 16. That's gonna be a short rotation. Okay, let's see. 24 degrees each time. Wait. Well, 36 and 18. What's the like the mid? What's like the middle of it? I 36. Oh, it's 27. 27 degrees. Okay, this looks pretty interesting now. But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it like that right now and move on to something else now. So, this is the this is the current result of the fractal tree. So yeah, you can see here now. There's this one branch right here for starting, and this branch creates two branches on top of it. These two branches create more branches on their own, and each creates two branches, and each of them creates two more branches, and then each of those branches creates more branches, and so on, and we get that kind of tree as a result. So it's that's good. Let's move on to something else now. I'm gonna go back to the template program. You know the one with just a blank white screen. I am now another idea I had is okay. Where's rename? Save as. No wait. Okay, save as. It's in file up here. Where's save as? Save as. Let's make a clock. Already, I'm gonna need the length there for this one as well. I already know it. Yes. Cosine and sine are not in default Python. Are not like default in Python. So I'm gonna have to import the the built-in math functions for now. I mean, yes, they're part the math stuff like cosine and sine. I mean, they're like part of Python. You don't need to install anything more or download anything more from the web, but yeah, it's not a part of the default Python functions. You're gonna have to import the built-in math functions. Okay, so clock is used for the frame rate. Okay, now what? So, wait. Length there should go before draw window just in case. Because I think I'm gonna call length there from the draw window function. So let's see. Again, colors. White is. I'm gonna copy the colors also. Fill black. Let's add a black account. What account? Background again. Also, I'm gonna make the window a square one, 600 by 600. So a clock. What knows? First I'm gonna need. First let's. Oh, so anything. Yes, also an important thing. Anything you draw has to go before display update. Display update is the function that puts your lines and squares and sprites, all of these on the screen. So if I would just like draw, but if I would just be like Pygame, draw a line, after the update, it won't work because like the game window has already been updated, I think. So first let's draw the circle, like the outer circle of the clock. I'm gonna make an analog. So yes, I was just saying I was make a clock, but but what kind of clock? An kind of analog clock you like see on the wall, the round clock. See, so Pygame dot draw circle, win, color white, center coordinates. Yes, that's gonna be yes, it's asking for the center of the circle. Let's put it at the center of the screen again. That's screen width divided by 2 and screen height divided by 2. Radius, let's make it 200. Make it nice in the make it nicely in the width now. Let's make it 4 pixels. So yes, now you can see I already got that's like the outer circle of the clock. Yes, so the date and time is also not on that. Is also not part of the basic Python functions. I'm gonna have to import something again. Stream all good. Just just checking. Ah, it's just a lengthier thing. Ah, yes, expected module. To be okay. Was it? I haven't used the date and time module uh, yet. Just I have called them as libraries for some time for now, but yes, I think I yes I think like the official name is module import time. Oh, that's like the that's like the source code of time module. But still, I'm not. Um, Python time module. Let's see if I can find something. The epoch. Ah, yes, that's like the Unix epoch. It starts on January 1st, 1970, and just increases by one every second. I have heard of it. I'm just gonna need the seconds, minutes, and hours for this clock. Okay. Okay, let's see. Time dot. What do we have? What functions do we have here? Time dot daylight get clock. Ah. Okay, the minutes, seconds, and hours are not completely out there, like out here. I think I'm supposed to get like I'm gonna do something like get time function or something, whatever it is. I know. Okay, here's something. TM year. Here's what I'm interested for. For the clock, TM hour, I think. Hour, minutes, and seconds. Oh, wait. Oh, the handling of leap seconds is platform dependent. Yeah, I have heard something about leap seconds. So basically, As the Earth's rotation slowly slows down, apparently sometimes we just need to add an extra second. For the clock, there's sometimes just needs to be an extra second, and I have heard that programmers dealing with time zones have a problem with it. Li- But still, how do you just get the time seconds? I mean, the seconds, hours, and minutes. Python get second. I don't know minutes. Python get hours. Get date time. What is this? Date time dot time. What? An idealized time independent of any. Yeah. Python get time. Im yeah, interesting. Yeah. Import datetime now equals datetime dot now. Okay. Let's try datetime. What was it? What was it? Let's do this in the main function. That's where things are happening. Yes, I think I'm also gonna want that. Or actually, just to test first, I'll use the print function. That's gonna. Let's do it like this. Now equals date time dot date time dot now. If I would print now, what's gonna happen? Okay. I got something 20 yes, it's 8 o'clock with 31 seconds past. Oh, if I would do just time dot now, something is wrong here. Ah yes, there's no now in time. Yeah. This is not quite how it works. Hmm. Yeah, you can probably see I'm not very experienced in Python. Uh, I'm taking forever right now just to get the computer time right now. It is currently 8 o yeah 20 20 o 2003. It's the 24th February, Independence Day of Estonia, but the date doesn't really matter right now. I just want to make the clock. I just want to make the clock. Let's go back to the time format. Okay. Here's finally something that could be useful. See, you see, we get. I got this large number. So yes, that's this Unix epoch I was talking about earlier. It started from it's like a time value. It started from 0 in when the year 1970 began, and for each second that has passed from January 1st 1970, it adds 1 second. Now just making sure it updated. Alright, I have finally gotten the time. The computer time, I think. What was it? I want to update, so I'm gonna put it in the game loop. now equals time dot time. Seconds. Yes, I now have to calculate the seconds. Seconds seconds equals time dot I now mod 60. So now percent 60. Basically this is modulo or mod. Basically what it means is that it will divide now by 60 and it will give the remainder. So 61 61 divided by 60 is 1 remainder 1, and the remainder is the modulo that I'm interested in here right now. This I'm trying to calculate the seconds, minutes, and hours myself from the epoch that the time got me. How long have I even been streaming? No, wait, here. So minutes equals now. Wait. Let's try to floor the now divided by 60 modulo 60. Wait, that's not floor. I mean, floor is not the floor is not there. Floor is not. Wait, sorry, I'm trying to adjust my microphone again. Another thing. What is the Python function for floor? Floor function. Oh, it's. Oh, I don't need. I don't think I need the lengther like drawing anymore. I can close it for now. Yes, it's not just floor, it's math dot floor. It's part of the advanced math functions. So there's that, and now hours. Now also have to calculate the hours. Math dot floor. Now divided by So an hour increments every 60 by 60 or 3600 seconds. So now divided by 300 and 3600 maybe, modulo 24. No wait, we're trying. I'm trying to create a 12. I'm trying to create a 12 digit or. Oh wait, let's keep it at 24 for now. Now, does it all work? Let's try again with the print function. It's gonna. Now it's supposed to. Whatever values we get from that, it's supposed to put them in the terminal box down here. Print. Print. Oh wait, we started. The clock starts from hour. Print hours, minutes, seconds. Oh, ums. Okay, the let's see. Yes, the hours. I mean, the minutes and seconds are correct, but hours is off by 2. It says 18, which is 6 o'clock, but as you can see, oh, yeah, yes, I think the stream cut out for a second. Oh wait. Okay, they start throwing for an error. I'll try reduce the bitrate a little bit. Maybe it will help. Yes, yes, it was complaining about. It was complaining about. N- uh, not smooth stream for a moment. Is it all right? Is it all right now? So yeah, let's continue. Yeah, you can see, see right here. It's 20 o'clock, but this here says 18. It's off by 2. Interesting. Will I even get to create actual games if games in the stream if I already take so long? Yes, you can stop it with the clocks. Thank you. So what's wrong here? I mean, yeah, there. Okay. wait, what if the what if the time is correct, but um, I mean, what if like this? What if the calculation is correct, but it uses the UTC time, the the time in England, which like the standard. Right. I'm in Estonia, and it's 2 hours ahead of the England time. So yeah, maybe is it getting the UTC or GMT time? The you know what? +2. No wait, that's not where I'm supposed to put the +2. It's +2. It's like the flooring +2 modulo 24. Because I mean, like, if it's 23, it's suddenly gonna display like 25 instead of instead of 1 o'clock uh, at night. So yeah, that's not exactly what's supposed to happen. Okay, now so now let's make the second make the pointers or whatever they're called. I don't quite remember what they're called in English. There's these lines for pointing. What time is it? So, also one thing I would want to do is pie. I'm gonna need some small pointers like where is the 1 o'clock at. Um, I also don't quite know. Also, not quite sure how to explain it right now. But well, let's see. We're gonna need 12 of these lines for each hour for I in range 12 to do this 12 times. Draw Pygame, draw line. So what do we have here? As win white color. Length length width divided by 2, height, length would be like, let's do 180, direction angle is I times. Alright, we need to have 12. We need to have 12 of these in 360 degrees. That's gonna be, so that means each is gonna be like 360 divided by 12 degrees apart. I think that's 30 degrees, so the angle is I times 30. The der will be angle and this will be so from 180 pixels to 200, and with 4, let's see how. So yeah, this is pretty much these pointers is pretty much what I was doing right now. Now one small thing is that you can see the ones that aren't quite the, I mean they go slightly off the clock, so 196, let's reduce it a bit, and that looks already better. Now I just make sure that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and all clear. So now the clock. Now I need the clocks. I mean the hand. I'm gonna need the handles. So second angle equals second times so 60 seconds in 360 degrees, that's 6 degrees. That means it's gonna rotate 3 no not 3, 6 degrees per second. Same thing for minutes. Minutes angle is minutes by 6 hours angle. So how is it hours by 15, I think 360 divided by no, wait. It's supposed to be 360 divided by 12 again. So it's by 30 again. Now let's see if I can do this like this. Draw a line. I'm gonna make at least a red color, at least for the second uh, handle. So that's gonna be completely red. So red is maximum at 255 and the others are at 0. Draw a line. My game maker experience interfering again. Pygame dot draw dot line. Win. It's gonna be red. Width divided by 2. Height divided it's supposed to be in brackets like this, the start coordinate. Length x plus, so that should be high from the center. We don't even need brackets here. Width divided by 2, height divided by 2, length. Let's do 150. Direction would be also seconds angle, I think, because if it is set in another function, maybe we can't use it here. Let's try. Yes, the game crashed. Seconds angle is not defined because it's only for the main function, and this is the draw window function. It's called in main, but it's not really that much part of main. So let's try. Let's try with the draw window. Include with seconds angle, minutes angle, hours angle, and now it's still yes, of course I have to call it. I have to add this. I have to add these values for the draw window into the draw window function too. So in the draw window brackets here too, where it's called seconds angle, no minutes angle, hours angle, no wait, let me make it a bit. It's not really correct. Let me make it a bit bigger so you could see. It's going the wrong way. Like, you know, it starts. So with each of these, I think I have to do like times -6 plus 90 plus 90. That's gonna the minus. Like, I mean, the minus is here for so it would go the other way, because as you just saw, it rotated the wrong way, and plus 90 it like something else maybe I should explain about Pygame. Let's make a grid. So about the degrees in Pygame, the um, the 0 degrees is like pointing to the right, and as it rotates, as the direction like increases, it rotates to the left. So to the top is 90, to the left is 180. I don't know what I'm writing here. To the bottom is 270. So as the degree increases, it goes to the left. It rotates to the left, not right. That's why it turned. That's why the second handle rotated in the wrong direction, right there, the wrong way. And also, we need to start from the 90 degrees. That's why the plus 90. Okay. Again, maybe let's make it a bit. Maybe let's make the handle a bit thicker. Let's see how 8 pixels wide. So let's compare. Okay, I got the second handle working. Now it points in the correct direction. Let's do the same thing with. Now, where do I make lines? Now I have to do the same thing with the minute arrows. No. Color will be white, and instead of seconds angle, it will be minutes angle. Oh wait. Yeah, it looked a bit better. Let's do 4. So I'm assuming that when this reaches the end, it will jump. Bam. Actually, what if I just remove the floor from here? Okay, there's a crazy lot of numbers here on the output now, but I don't think the minute arrow the minute arrow I don't think the minute arrow should just hop like that anymore. Let's see. Oh, okay, that's nice. Now it's just a hour arrow remaining. Let's make that one a bit shorter. Whoa, I can type hours angle. Okay, so here it is. An analog, pretty much an analog clock. May- Maybe I'm gonna do something else, but I want to work on something else now. So I have completed the fractal tree. I let's call the clock finished for now. Uh, and how about something a bit more an actual game and not just drawing something on the screen. Okay, save as Pong. Le- let's make Pong, I guess. All right. What again? The colors. I'm gonna need just white and a black. Fill. Let's make the background black again. Like that. Mm. So rec. So here instead of like lines, I'm gonna need rectangles. So main. Let's let's create here rectangles for the player paddle and the other paddle for the opponent. Player one. Let's try doing like player one equals Pygame dot rectangle or rect. Get wrecked. So it's gonna need a left top width and height. Left. For now let's put it at. No wait, that's too much. 20. Now for this one, let okay, everything seems fine here. Hit the stream again, just checking. The again, I had the terminal open again. I can close that too. Ah yes, player rectangle for the player 1. Uh, I like to work with multiples of like powers of 2, like 32, 64, like there. I'm kinda used to that after Game Maker again. So let's put left at 32, top 30. Width should be also, let's make it also 32. Height, okay, height should be a bit bigger. How about 128? So let's put the rectangle at the center again. Width divided by 2, but also half of the height. So minus 64. Let's make a rectangle already. A rectangle object already for the other player. That's gonna be width divided by width minus 64, maybe, because of this 32 gap, the 32 pixel gap, and also with the 32 pixel height width. Okay, already let's try to draw the player rectangles. Player 1, player 2. Player 1. Can I do it like that? Pygame. Draw. Rectangle. Win. White color. And player 1 rectangle. Okay. That's not quite at the center. Oh wait. Did I do width for the height? No, it needs to be height divided by 2. Okay, here's already something. Let's draw the other player as well. Nice. Right, nice. Now the movement. If Alright, now finally Pygame docu. Welcome to Pygame documentation. Now where is Python? No, not here. Let's see. Oh, yes. Oh, wait. No. Is that okay? Um, um, I'm sorry for any background noise if there is. Like how many like this whoosh noises maybe. If event so keyboard down event. If event pygame dot key down, is it? Pygame, yeah, pygame dot key down. Okay, now how? So, so this is another Pygame project I made with the help of a tutorial. It's like two spaceships fighting, battling. I just want to check how does how does the how's the key press work? If event keys. If event dot key, was it equals, so yeah, like two of this. Two in Python you have to write two equal signs if you want to check are these equal, are equals k. Okay, pygame dot k okay, let's use W and S for the left paddle and up and down arrow key for the uh, for the I mean the for the other paddle. Okay, let's see if I can move, if I can just do like do this like that, the rectangle Y. Need to change that. So key down is going towards the bottom of the screen. That's gonna increase the Y. Maybe I should also tell what the maybe I should also set what the speed is. SPT equals I don't know what would be a good speed. Let's try 4 for now. Experiment with the speed. So if the S key is down, move player 1 by SPT amount of pixels. Just copy that. And now does it work? Um oh, oh wait. No, it seems correct. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be K W. Let me. Okay, I'm just I just want to make sure that the event works. So if let's write like that. If I press the S key, it's supposed to write move down, and if it's W move up. Let's try. Okay, it seems to work, but not on every step. Oh, so what I did? I mean, um, hmm. Key keys pressed is Pygame dot. Was it key dot get pressed? If keys pressed Pygame dot k s print move down. Okay, now it's. I mean, now it's like happening every frame. I hold it down. I'm just gonna comment it all out. um, so in Python with hashes you can turn something into a comment. It's um it's intent. It's like just some kind of text that a interpreter won't will ignore. Codes won't do anything. So pretty much I'm telling it right now to ignore this kind of code for now, but I might need it. And the rectangle is still not moving. The rectangle is not moving. The paddle is not moving. Gonna hop quickly back to the other project to see what did I do differently here. Okay, pygame.rect. That's the same. Oh, I think I get what's wrong here. Wrong syntax. It's a syntax error. You see, I I have written here that player 1.y plus speed. That's wrong. To player 1.5 plus equals speed. I think it's supposed to be. If you want to add another variable to the variable, use plus equals. It's gonna add something by that. Okay, you can see I can now move my paddle. Not paddle. What if speed is 8? It's okay, it's rather fast. Okay, we don't need a print anymore. So that's for the left player. Now for the right player. Here I can just copy the code, and instead of S key we need the down arrow key, and there's the W is the up arrow key. And instead of moving player 1, I need to move player 2. So let's see. Here's player 1, and with the arrow keys I can move the right paddle. So here's a game of Pong so far, and let's try with a speed of 8. Okay, now I need to make the ball. Oh wait, before I do it, there's one small thing wrong with it right now. You see the battles can just move out of the screen. You see, and they can just go infinitely. There's nothing to stop them. So let's prevent them from going off, and I and player one dot y is greater, no, it is less, it is greater than, plus speed is greater than height, minus player one dot height. So here I am checking that if the player one is, yeah, little player one is going to go off the height, and like again, let's increase it for brush size 8. So here's a wall, and let's say this is the rectangle. Uh, you can you see it's already a bit of out the border, but the y position, the y position is the y position of it is like right here, so that's why I have to also include the height in the equation. So this like the player one dot height. I had to subtract it from it, and player one dot y minus speed is less. No wait. Yes, is less than, and here is greater than 0. Okay, let's see now. Okay, it cannot go off the screen it cannot go off the screen anymore. But still you can see there is a bit of a buffer between. Still is a bit of buffer between the battle and the edge of the screen, so maybe is less than or equal, and is higher than or equal. Let's see now. Yeah, it looks pretty good now. Also, now I'm gonna have to copy the same things for player 2. Yes. Oh wait. Okay, what's going? Something is going on with player player 2 dot y. Let's see now. Yes, it's now looking pretty good. Now finally I have to add the ball where Pygame. It's also gonna be a rectangle. X is width. No, wait, what am I? X is width divided by 2. Height divided by 2. Width 16, height 16. So for the draw window, we're also gonna have to draw the ball now. So Pygame.draw rect ball. Okay, so you can see here now we have like the ball that's supposed to going to move around. Let's do it. No, it. So here. So for the ball, for now, let's do a add a y speed of 8. Let's just try like that. Maybe x and y speed like the other way, just for it to look nicer. So let's make a function for the ball movement. Okay, ball move. Okay, so that's gonna take the ball rectangle, x speed, y speed, maybe. X speed, y speed. So ball dot x increased by x speed, ball dot y by y speed. I would actually No, this Pong might actually be the might actually be the last project I'm gonna do in this stream. Maybe. I would have liked to try to make the Snake game too, but I mean, I have already done this for our 2.5 hours here. It's uh, um I have other plans to do, so I don't know if I have much time anymore. If wall first, let's just check if the um, if the ball is colliding with the uh, let's just make sure that the ball wouldn't go out of the screen right from the top or something. If ball dot y plus equals x speed is less than 0, or ball dot y, no, right, plus here simply plus y speed plus y speed is greater than height minus ball dot height. Yeah, yes. A semicolon for the if statement. Y speed times equals -1. Let's try for a moment. Ah yes, I have to call this ball move function. Yes, you can define a function, but it's not going to work. It's not going to happen until you to add this ball move. Yes, I also had to until you actually call the function. So this def part is for defining what happens with the function, what does the function do, and here you do, and that means you do what's in the function. Ball. Did I call it ball? I think I did. Yes. X speed. Y speed. Boom. Okay. You can say it's just okay. I can see it just goes to the bottom and just zigzags at the bottom. Oh. Plus no wait, no wait. I think that's correct. I think that's supposed to be y speed. Oh wait. I think I have to update. Well, I think I didn't update the. Well, I I didn't update the X speed and Y speed because they're in a different. They're in a different function. X speed, Y speed equals. Oh yes, I don't know if you noticed this, but look closely. It indeed bounces off the edge now. Bow. It's kind of fast though. So now collision between the ball and now let's try to do the check for collision between the ball and. So what did I do here in the other? Alright, let's check the documentation. Maybe under rectangles. So collide rect. If pi, no, it's supposed to go before. If before the speeds are changed. If Pygame dot. Or is it? Am I supposed to do if ball dot? Pygame dot. Um. I think I'm also gonna need the players for this one, for this command. Player 1, player 2. If ball collides with player 1, x speed equals 4. Let's do it like that. Of course, semicolon. Player 2 minus 4. I semicolon. Okay, I didn't. Oh, okay. Okay, you can see I have made this basic collision is done. You can see, well, I can move I can move the paddle to the front of the ball and it would bounce off. I mean it's really simplistic, but it works. So I was thinking maybe maybe make the paddle a bit less wide. I'm also gonna need to move it a bit further, the second one a bit further to the left. Come on. No, I have really low. I really don't have a lot of time to react to the ball, so maybe I will move it a little bit to the left at the start. Yeah, okay. Let's make it a bit faster. Now, now one more thing to do maybe is a scoring system. Player P1 score equals 0. P2 score equals 0. So okay, so what was it? I remember there was some event. Okay. p1 dot win equals pygame dot user event plus 1 p2 win equals pygame dot user event plus 2. That means that right here I'm setting up my own event. Like here was the event for quitting. Here I'm gonna create events. I'm gonna set up my own events for when someone gets a point. So what were the events? So if event dot type equals wait, what was it? P1 win P1 score equals 0. Wait, not plus equals 1. And also for P2 player 2 increment score by 1. So oh yes, I think I'm not supposed to put the event setup in a function because it's gonna mess up with the variables. I'm gonna put it in the initial setup. I think it would be better. Indentation in Python, it's necessary. Everything has to be correctly indented. Like if I would just put a space here, it would throw an error. So what the okay. Yeah. So here on ball move, let's see if x speed equals 1. What am I doing? If x is less than 0 minus ball width, if ball dot x is less than oh, here I think I can just minus ball. Oh wait, so if the x is like less 0 minus its width, if it's completely off to the left side of the screen, then player 2 gets a point. Pygame dot what was it? Pygame. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of parts to one line. Pygame dot event dot post pygame dot event dot event. Now what was P2 win? And if it's off to the right side of the screen, if it's larger, like if the X is larger than the screen width, then player 1 gets a point. We call P1 win. And now I have to import, and now I have to create that. I have to write who has how many points. I just know that like the this spaceships project. I haven't shown you that, but well, I created it with a tutorial by I think it was like someone called Tech with Tim or something, a Pygame tutorial by him. So thanks for him for that, I guess. So in the setup, font equals Pygame font font sys font. Alright. Let's see. Are there like cool digital fonts? Wait, we got digital. So I remember for the thumbnail, for the stream thumbnail, I used this let's see. Yes, I used the Consolas font. Does it have Consolas? I usually use like Arial or something. And so in the draw window, what is it? P1 point P1 score text equals. Yes, I'm gonna need to look at that project for a lot for this drawing text thing. Is font dot render string P1 oh yes, we're gonna need the scores as well. P1 score, P2 score, and here too P1 score, P2 score, so now I think I can Now I think I can do that. Win.blit. There's some kind of blit function for um I think that's drawing things like sprites and text. Um, I haven't used any imported sprites here in these projects, uh, but anyways, so how does it work? Win EL so out just the text P1 score text and the coordinates 32 by 32. Let's do it. And also for the so here the pause will be win minus P2 score text point get width. Is it? Isn't it? Minus 32. Seems like something I'm supposed to do. Font not okay. Here's an error. Font not initialized. Is Consolas not a supported font? Let's try Arial in that case. Font okay that okay that's oh, what okay let's see what's going on here. I think it should be the same, but do I need to do something else with the font? A font a pygame.font.init pygame.font.init apparently some kind of font, uh, the font system was not initialized. Oh yes, so P score P2 score. Oh wait, why does ball move need P1 score and P2 score? Yes, I think I have added this argument to the wrong function. The window draw function is what handles the score drawing. Okay, more errors, but we're getting somewhere. What's missing? From the font render. So, what is this? Anti-alias and white. Oh, okay, I messed something up with the win blit. With no wait, what? With minus. I think I wrote win as a screen instead of the with. Okay, okay. We got the scores. We got the we got the game to draw text now. Can I make it this consoles that I was going for at first? And also another thing is that that the that the tech that the pellets were that the pads were overlapping the scored text, like they were at the same x, they were almost the same x. So I'm gonna move the text a little bit. Where are you? 128, 128. Just move it more to this. Okay, the consoles is definitely, I can see it's supported. Now if I let it go, wow, player 1 is sure getting a lot of points. Ladies and gentlemen, player 1 has won with 1000 points, and it's going all 1500 points for player 1. So yeah. So in the P1 win and P2 win, what I'm gonna need to reset the pellet position. P so ball dot x equals let's oh let's keep height divided. So how is it now? Okay. Also, let's make it go in the other direction. X speed times equals -1 multiplied by -1. How is it now? Okay, I have finished with some kind of Pong game. So let's fight. Right now both players are tied 1-1. Okay, player 1 has player 1 is now in the lead. So that's Pong. Oh. I mean it could certainly be improved, but well, I have finished with some kind of basic a game of Pong. Really basic, but well, still. Hop, hop. Eh. Okay. So I think I'm gonna end. I would like to make one more project, probably like Snake, maybe. But I think I'm gonna end the stream for now. Ooh. So I mean, it's so let's see. Let's see what did I make. First, there's kind of first there was this fractal tree. Let's like recap what I managed to do. What I managed to do in the stream. So yeah, first there is like a fractal tree where like each branch creates two more branches on top of it. Um, then oh uh, wait for something to do with the clock still. It's really short. First I'm gonna get rid of the print that keeps spamming the numbers here, and I'm gonna floor the time. So oh wait now equals now equals math. As you can see how it moves now. I think I like that a little bit more. So yeah, then there was this analog clock, and finally a basic game of Pong. So the yeah, I think that's it for now. And thank you for joining. And um, maybe it's it's quite likely that I'll do something like that again soon. Um, but for now thanks for coming. I'm going to end this coding stream. Yeah. One thing I'll probably make I'll I'll I think I'm gonna make soon on screen is this classic snake game, which I don't really have much time for right now. So, also again happy. It's probably not a big deal for you, but happy Independence Day of Estonia, my country again. And well, see you next time. See you soon.